Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a loyalty card to Apple Wallet on iOS 18. To add it, go to App Store, then search for Card. This will allow you to add a loyalty card to Apple Wallet. Press on Open when it's installed, and now wait a moment for the app to start. And now you can choose one of the most popular services in your region, or click on plus to select any available one in your region. I'm gonna choose this one. And now you can scan a barcode from your card, or press on enter manually to enter the number manually, and I'm gonna enter it manually, and then press on save. Something went wrong. Okay, let's see. Yes, I have forgotten the 9 here. Okay, save, and now it's been saved. Press on 3 dots and click on add to Apple Wallet, then press on add. Now it's been added to Apple Wallet, and whenever I go into Apple Wallet I can click on Card to view this this loyalty card. And if you have many loyalty cards in Card, then you can swipe between them. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.